So we get this on there, so we're going to plastic weld it back onto that. So we're trying to repair this fog light. Well, the brackets broke off. I've already repaired this one, got it back on, and this one, and I've still got this one left to put on. That's the piece, bent, so I've got to straighten it. And basically what I'm using is just a normal piece of plastic, just chop a bit off it with a soldering iron, flat tip. But first I've got to fix the piece on, so I'm just going to straighten this piece out and then get it fixed, and then I'll come back. Okay, got it straightened out. I'm trying to show you as much of it as I can, and obviously my camera at the minute isn't very good. I've only got a front facing camera, the back camera's broke. So if I can hold it still and try and let you see. I think I've got it tacked in place now. It's tacked on. Just got to try and keep it straight. Yeah, there. Once I get a better camera, I'll be able to do some better videos.